shit. YouTube. Tropical here, man. You know what I'm saying? Niggas at the little video shooting shit. And my dog BG.
What it is, man? What it is?
in the cut. Come on, yeah, snap in the cut.
In
You
the
know what I'm
cut.
saying? But look, we had this video shoot, you know what I'm saying? We're in Broward, Oakland Park. You know what I'm saying? We finna do some little video shoot, see what's up, what's popping. You know what I'm saying? 20 boys versus 1 girl. You gotta do like a pickup line or some shit. Who got the little best ridge?
Oh, we got
line?
that's what they doing.
Yeah, who got the best ridge?
Yeah.
Pickup line.
Sure.
It's good. Tropical. But nah, I think that's how it is.
That's on. My boy got that shit on. My boy came outside putting that shit on. Hey, bro, this your last second plan. I ain't know nothing about none of this. I ain't know I'm supposed to be here. So, yeah.
What's that combo? Finish all these. Finish something about you.
Did you want the extra small? Because that's small. You good?
No. Shit, man. Those are the mediums?
Yeah, this the medium. This is
Is that the other medium? Yeah, that's good up there. I'm tapping on height. Alright, good. Let me get this shit out of here.
Y'all boys go fuck with the vlog, you know what I'm saying? We're going to go fuck with the vlog. Them boys done caught the Born to Be Rich, too. What's y'all YouTube? Just called Shiloh Tropical. You know what I'm saying?
This shit go hard, bro. Blue fucking quality, bro.
Y'all boys fuck with this. Real shit, cuz.
Go caught, know what I'm saying? Got the boys right in BTPR. You see the back of it. You know what I'm saying? Watch the blue.
Oh, yeah.
The boys done caught,
Hey, man, fuck with Born to Be Rich. If you don't, your ass dead. On God.
God. Fuck with that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? It's the last collection. Who knows if we're gonna drop that bill again? Who knows? But now, so them boys done caught the T. Rocking the blue color, the blue Born to Be Rich T. Go caught. Do the fuck like
Boys popping right now. Got the merch. Y'all fuck with them boys merch type shit. Shout that so hard. You know what
Hold on.
Big promo shit.
The pink is small. We got pink studio.
So very not getting tall.
This one been hot. Still go top. Want to be rich.
Hey, man, make sure y'all go tap in with Born to Be Rich, man. I swear to God. Oh, God, man. Good ass quality, too, man. Yeah, copy. Y'all go tap in with Born to Be Rich, man. I swear to God.
YouTube. Tropical here, man. Got the boys outside, you know what I'm saying? We done made it so. Hey, go sort yourself out, you know what I'm saying? We outside at King City event.
Man, we outside.
Rich T.
Man.
What we finna go do, bitch? Alright,
Hey, y'all
an event, bitch.
I don't know what video we gonna touch shit. He got an event. We gonna see type
I don't
shit.
know.
Yeah.
But in meanwhile, y'all boys, fuck with them boys. They got the merch type shit.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck with boys to be rich. You know what I mean?
Them boys got some shoes. I'm finna start recording with them boys type shit because they got some shoes ready for y'all to cop. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boys fuck with that and subscribe to my channel for the good type shit.
We all going up.
We all going up. Yeah.
Good luck. Other than that, we finna hit this event, see what's happening. Bitch. Hopefully there's doms, there's females, there's ladies, bitch.
Exactly, bro.
We gonna riz some up, we gonna bat some up tonight, but nah. Them boys
You gonna riz them up, cuz?
Shit, who knows? I don't know, y'all boys can't clean, man. Y'all got to fit on, like we all can't clean.
Come on, bro, you can't clean
y'all boys
me,
I'm chilling, I'm chilling, bro. We all can't clean, like, you know what I'm saying?
That boy can't clean. That boy can't clean.
I'm wearing the back, so you heard the set, so I'm feeling.
Can I light this bitch up in the video or not?
You can.
Can you?
Yeah. Nah, niggas just out here vlogging. That's shit. Hey, hold the camera, Brooker. Beat the fit check though. Nah, I'm saying nigga rocking Born to Be Rich. See, them boy, we done made a sell. Nah, I'm saying them boys done caught the Born to Be Rich. We finna drop the hardest collection next soon. Nah, I'm saying got the life outside the jeans. Life outside the jeans, right? And rocking me harvest. Other than that, it's a little conflict. Other than that, nah, so we finna hit this event. Other than that, nah, I'm saying we finna go hit this event. So it's popping. So it's like 9 something. Who knows what time we finna leave? But we just got here, cooling. I say regular shit. I just decided to pick up the camera for y'all boys. I'm saying can't forget. I can't forget y'all boys. I'm saying so if you tune into the vlog, if you really tune into the vlog, go like the video, go subscribe. I'm saying if we pick up more content, daily tropical. I'm saying we're gonna pick up more fashion content. I said I'm finna do more videos, but I'm saying a nigga been working. But I'm saying all this stuff we're gonna make up. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm saying what I've been doing behind the scenes and all this stuff. I got some some reviews and things I gotta do soon. But other than that, we're just gonna continue working. I got this event I'm gonna hit. I don't know if I can pick up the camera if I go in there, but I'm gonna be in there promoting the brand. I'm saying do what I gotta do. Go subscribe to the channel. Know what I'm saying, nigga, we all the way in Miami. Know what I'm saying, we all in Miami. We all in Miami, bruh. But look, other than that, shit. Go tune into the vlog, man. You did.